Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. It is me, your girl, Brooklyn States, and yes, I'm so New York. You may have seen this on the other videos that I've done or put out because I'm doing multiple videos in the same day. So, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I just wanted to come and quickly show you that haul. Now, first and foremost, I may insert it here, or you may have seen it before. This one where I apologize because when I did the other penny shopping the day before Valentine's Day, I didn't show you the part where I broke it down, after I came out of the store to show you everything that I did get. So whether I you put it before this video, then you saw that, and now you're seeing this one, or you may see it now. So whichever way you saw it, that's why there's two hauls in one of the penny items. So this is the penny item. Excuse that chirping because my battery died and I have not gotten anyone yet. It just did it yesterday after the storm, but and I apologize, I said that in the other video, but some people may not have seen that video. So yeah, someone's going to change it because it gets on my last nerve too. So I kind of wanted to show you really quickly what I did get out of today's Dollar General quick shop. I already showed you in the other video. I did get these two, and I did use a store coupon. If you did not see that, please go back and watch that, because there's a warning. I want to show you how to do it and how to do it properly and not make the mistake that I did. So I did get this, and also I did get these two Vaseline intensive care therapy. So I did get these two, and then also what I did get, I did go in there to get some groceries. And then I did see this. So this was $8, and it scanned for, this was like Christmas. This is a bow box. And I don't know why they're just holding off and not marking it down more than 50% off. But I have a few of these. These work great to put all the bows in. And I love the top because it does not come off. It's attached. And I love the fact that it has this handle on it. So if you see this is now $4. So I did get that. And I did... let me put that over to the side here. And I did go ahead, let me put that there so you could see. No, that's in the way. So let me put that in the back there and move this to the front. There we are. So yeah, I also did get these two. These were in the dollar section, and I did have a strawberry theme thing for my basket, so I wanted to get the strawberry watermelon hand soap because this would go well. So I did get two of these for $1 each in the dollar aisle where they're dollar deals. So yeah, I did get these two, and it smells really great. And then moving right along, I did get some other items, but I wanted to show you. These are so cute. I saw these in another store. And so I said, I need to get more. So I purposely go and look for them. They only had 3. I thought there were 4, but they only had 3. These were $2, but they're on sale 50% off. So they are $1. I wish they would go to 10 cents or a quarter. But I'm only able to find 2 here, 3 there, 4 there. And so I have 4. So I've added to this, and I have 7 of them. And these are so stinking cute. I do pop popcorn, and I'm going to like a Western theme party, so I have an idea for the popcorn with this. But then I have an idea for little girls, maybe something for Easter or just little girl gifts. So I have a few concepts that I want to play around using this. So yeah, so I did get these things too, and they're this cutest little things. Don't you think these are cute? Drop it in the comments. Tell me, how cute are they? Don't you just like them? Oh my goodness, they're just so cute. But nevertheless, I'm over here trying not to block things and just show you my cute little haul here. So I did get those. And now I wanted to show you the penny. I wasn't, this store, some stores are properly maintained and they really are good with pulling pennies off the shelf, or they're heavily penny shopped. So I did saw it, at the front. I don't know if I did catch that, but they have with all those little plastic things, containers of all these knickknacks and doodads, and you really have to be an expert penny shopper to know what is a penny, or you have to have time to go in and look through everything. Sometimes I don't have the patience to look for it. I'm in there for certain things, but if I can find things that are penny that will go well in a gift basket for a little girl or a boy. Hey, I'll do it for a kid or something. And so these were $1. This is cute little, and here's the star. Well, it's not the star, but you know, the gold star with the clover. And this pennied out, here's the UPC for that, in case anybody wants to go ahead and type it up or look it up. Let me get a little closer. That's the UPC. And it's a cute little, as you see, a little tassel. And it makes a nice, cute little makeup or coin purse for a child or for an adult. And let me show you the UPC on this too. I'm so sorry. That's the UPC on that, in case you wanted to see that as well. See if you can find that in your stores, which store in your area has that. Okay, hopefully that showed up. Okay, and then also, did I show you the, I did not show you the UPC for the bow box. Let me go ahead and put that close to the screen so you can see that. You see the reflection of the ring light. And so that's the UPC for that. And then I might as well, in continuum, show you the UPC for the Vaseline so you could see. It should be in every store, but just in continuum, I'm going to show you the UPC for that in case you're looking for that, as well as the UPC for this in case you're looking for it. And going ahead and show you the UPC for the hand wash in case you're looking for it, to see which stores in your area has it, has them. And then this is the UPC for the Optic White, the toothpaste, so you can look to make sure your stores have that. Even though it says out of stock, please still just still go and search for it. And I think I showed you the UPC. I'm so tired. If I didn't, here you are again, the UPC for this. Okay, and now moving on to the other item I saw just hanging out around, decorative ribbon. And this is really pretty because I can use it for my gifts that I do. And so hey, beautiful people, there are over 90% of you that are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm back, and so my phone shut off. Yeah, I have a lot of videos to edit and get out to you guys, so we're working hard. It's hard being a YouTuber. It's a lot of work. So that's why you guys, please hit that thumbs up button. Make sure that you do subscribe because it does show me that you do appreciate everything that I'm doing and sharing with you. All of this good knowledge and things of that nature. All right, so I was saying this is the decorative ribbon that was just hanging around. It was in the bottom of a container, a clear container at the front with some of the Valentine's Day. It was just thrown, you know, on a table in front of a store and in front of the store. And so when I looked, I was like, hey, what is that doing down in there? And I saw that. And I instantly saw holiday style and this red square, knew it was Christmas. So I'm like, whatever that is, it's a decorative ribbon. I can use it. I don't know what it looks like. So when I turned it to the side and so it was sparkly, I was like, hey, this is 9 feet of ribbon for a penny. Yes, I can use it. And so isn't that pretty? Nice and sparkly. And so I did get that. I was wishing they had more, but they didn't. And then when you saw this last thing, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the first time I'm getting one of these brands in all the stores that I've been in. I've never been able to find it. And so this was, you may have seen in the video where I was down on the bottom shelf and I was looking, I had moved this pepper grinder over and I was looking at, I forgot what that was I was looking at. But anyway, oh, it was a rolling pin. And I was looking at the rolling pin. It was like ceramic and had lemons on it. So when I went to put it back, I noticed the pepper grinder was on top of that. And then on the side were the rest of the pepper grinders. But then I saw something shiny. And then I was like, well, hey, what's that? And so that made me go ahead and look at that item. And that item was this beautiful thing. And I saw the signature and automatically knew that that was Dolly Parton. So this is a Dolly Parton pie server, and I needed one of these. Isn't this pretty? Because I saw the butterfly and the signature. I was like, oh my gosh, that's a Dolly Parton. So Dolly, I finally have something of yours that I got from Dollar General. Yay me. I didn't know that these things were still hanging around, but evidently they pop up every now and then. That's why you have to, what they say, look, you have to look low. You have to look high in the sky shelf. You have to look low and all the way to the float. That's what Country Couponer says. I love her. Shout outs to her if you're watching that. So yeah, so I got, and I have a cake server, pie server, but you know, it's really old. It's my mom's and it's from Farberware where you slice on one side, you cut on the other side, and then you serve it on one side, and it has the wooden handle. You know, that's an oldie but goodie, and I still utilize it. But I, you know, have the plastic ones that come in the store, but I didn't have a metal one, so I'm happy to have this very sturdy one, and it's a Dolly one, and it was originally $3. That's the UPC. I don't know if you'll be able to find it, but you're free to look, because like I said, I wasn't expecting to find it, and here it is. I found it, and that's the UPC for that one. And that's it, guys. So those are the only pennies that I found. I'm sure that I could have found more in housewares, but I didn't need all of that. And you know, I was looking to get the throws, and you know, I had to get some other groceries, so I pretty much was staying focused, but still looking as I go up and down the aisles. And so I'm glad that I, you know, found these things, because as I'm looking for what I needed to look for, you know, I found these surprise or hidden. This was really hidden in the store, hidden pennies. And so like this was a hidden penny in with the Valentine's Day stuff. And this was a hidden penny in with the other dot things, you know, with the pens and the pencils and all that other furry things and all the kid stuff. So yeah, so always make sure you look for things as you're looking for, in there looking for what you're trying to get, if you have an extra 5 or 10 minutes, because it'll be worth it. So I'm happy that I found this. This was my prize. This was my biggest score, if you will. You know, along with the other things were really great, but this is great because I was always looking for something Dolly. And you know, True Living, what they've done is they sold all of their Dolly things, and then they come out with things with butterflies on them, copying after Dolly. Why y'all do that, True Living? Trying to make a sale, making people think it's Dolly when it's not. Shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. Shame on you, True Living. But True Living, you really do have some cute things and great things. So look, no drama, no harm, no foul, no, what do you say, no harm, no foul, no love lost. I still got love for you, True Living. So that's it, guys. I wanted to show you my mini haul. I didn't spend much time in the store, but I wanted to, you know, come back and show you my penny items that I did find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some dollar items. I'm sure I could again found more pennies if I would have had the time to sift through all of that stuff. I looked through all of the carpet. I did not see that. I looked through the pillows, the bed pillows. I didn't look through the throw pillows. And I did look for some more baskets, but I didn't see that. I could have missed some, but I surely didn't see it. But nevertheless, that's it. That's all. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go back to my other video. I'm going to try to link it in the description box. And how you get to the description box, below here, or maybe on this side, you tap that little arrow, and it brings down the description box, and you tap it. And then you can see all of the things that I have, all the links that I have to some other things. Please read it. Please do give it a thumbs up. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And again, it's your girl, Brooklyn Stace. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care until the next time, and be well. Bye-bye.